music. The following film was filmed on this little thing. Has no capacity for audio. It's going to be a silent film like the Great Train Robbery. I'll put some good music, you're going to love it. Music, so hopefully I can enjoy the ride without getting the references.
Surf's up, dude!
We're going to have the best time yet, a summer that we'll never forget.
Remember guys, don't eat the water donuts. Gluten free though. Last one, can you do it? You ready? Oh! Haven't seen this much disappointment since Ted Cruz.
We shall never surrender!
So it was a long day of water and parking, but we're here now in our hotel room having some pillow fights as two grown college graduates do. And we're reminiscing about all the good times we had today, and we went on pretty much all the rides we wanted to go on except one, just one. There's this yellow one that was closed down, that wasn't open. And we really wanted to go on it. Really.
Super really.
Like this really. That much. So as much as we wanted to go on the yellow ride, looking out the window over here, you're going to see that it just sort of ends, and there's the epic drop, and that's the ride. So glad we didn't go on that.